Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to set up Amazon PPC campaigns. Let's get into it. Let's walk through setting up your Amazon PPC campaigns. After logging into your Seller Central account, go to the advertising section and click on Campaign Manager. Click on Create Campaign and you'll see four options: Sponsored Products, Sponsored Brands, Sponsored Display, and Sponsored TV. Let's focus on Sponsored Products for now. First, you'll choose an ad group name. This helps you keep your campaigns organized. Next, select the products you want to advertise. Then, choose your targeting type, automatic or manual. If you go with manual, you can set your bids by targeting group or use the default bid. You can also add negative keywords or products if you want to exclude certain searches or products from triggering your ads. This can help you save on irrelevant clicks. Next, you'll choose your campaign bidding strategy. There are three options: dynamic bids, up and down. Amazon will raise your bids by up to 100% in real time if your ad is more likely to convert to a sale, and lower them when less likely. Dynamic bids, down only. Amazon will only lower your bids in real time when your ad is less likely to convert. Fixed bids, your bids will stay exactly as you set them without any adjustments. Dynamic bids, up and down, have been shown to deliver 1.8x more sales at a 4% lower ROAS compared to dynamic bids, down only, Amazon internal data 2022. Then you can adjust bids by placement. For example, if you want to increase visibility at the top of the search results, you can increase your bids for that placement. Next, choose a campaign name and, if you want, a portfolio. Set your start and end dates, or leave the end date blank for an ongoing campaign. Enter your daily budget and decide if you want to turn on or off the option to launch campaigns in other countries. Once you've reviewed everything, click Launch Campaign. For sponsored brands, after clicking Create Campaign, you'll enter your campaign name, choose a portfolio, set start and end dates, and set your budget. You'll also select your brand and goals, e.g., drive page visits or grow brand impression share. You can turn on automated bidding, which lets Amazon optimize bids for placements other than the top of the search. Then, name your ad group and choose an ad format: product collection, store spotlight, or video. You'll also select a landing page, whether a store or a new landing page, and set your targeting, keyword targeting or product targeting. Add negative keywords if necessary. Finally, enter your ad name and set up the creative elements like logo, brand name, headline, products, and custom images. For sponsored display, start by entering your campaign name, choosing a portfolio, and setting start and end dates. You'll set your country and daily budget. Create an ad group with a name and choose your optimization strategy: reach, page visits, or conversions. Set your cost control, specify your desired success metric, and choose your ad format, image or video. Select your landing page type and pick the products to advertise. For targeting, choose combinations of audiences and contextual targeting to expand your reach. Finally, set your bid for each target type and click Launch Campaign. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.